Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtkes, and in this video I want to show you a really important, very cool technique that you need to know when you want to play solos, and it's a vibrato. This is usable actually on every note that you know in a scale. If we talk again about our A minor pentatonic, hope you remember it. You can play it on every note. On certain strings it's harder than on others, so if you have never done this before, I would recommend you to choose, for example, the 5th fret on the G string, and then you place your index finger there. My index finger is kind of like locked by the thumb and the side of the finger. The neck is kind of like locked, and so the tip of the finger is on the string, and then you kind of shake it. I turn my wrist here, kind of like shaking the hand. Do it fast or slow. And there are different techniques for that, to do that, to kind of like shake that string. You can also see a guy like Steve Vai doing something like this. It's more like not touching the neck at all. Kind of like a different sounding. This is more steady to me in a certain way. This is more kind of like random thing. I like this one for my style better. But there's not a better choice, it's just a personal opinion here. But try to lock the neck between your thumb and the side of your index finger. See, it's here and here. Then I pull the string down to the floor. Release. You can also do it with the ring finger, of course, and for that purpose I place the index and middle finger, like I did on the bending, behind it to support it. You also can see my guitar neck shaking a little bit. The harder you do it, if you see Stevie Ray Vaughan play, for example, it's crazy sometimes how he... so much power in there, so much aggression. This is really a tryout thing. Try to do it in a rhythm, for example, to get it in a steady motion. Get used to this kind of technique and do it in a controlled way. I mean, this is not a vibrato I would use actually that often like this. It's really slow. But when I play it faster, when I do it faster, it's still as steady. So, and you can combine it with licks. So when do you use a vibrato? When you play a scale. I mean, this is for your solo playing a relief, I think, because you just play a scale up the neck, and on one note you just choose to make a break and just do a vibrato, and it sounds awesome. This is a little bit boring. This is a statement, you know, like, finish, I said everything I want, let's go to the next phrase. You know, and this is also a tool, a phrasing tool, like all the other tools I already showed you, like the slides. in volume. And you can combine them. I just played the pentatonic here and noodle around with it. Get comfortable with all those different techniques, playing soft. I mean, do it separately, just play very soft. And play very loud. And then you combine all those things, do them separately, and then you try to combine all those different techniques. So, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you liked the vibrato. See you in the next video. Bye!